So there's something on the lens. We are looking today at, for those of you, that's not straight, that's all, there we go, I think that's better. For those of you, or us, that use a smartphone a lot, so you use one of these, doesn't matter which one, Android, iPhone, who cares, but you're filming with that's your camera of choice, you know, because you got it with you, which is great. But you'd like it a little bit better, right? This is the Godox Vlog Kit. Now it is the VK1 package, VK1. As you can see here, they've got it all set up, and it kind of comes with, it looks like all the goodness that you kind of need to kind of get yourself doing the vloggy stuff, right? So, and you could use it for not vloggy stuff, just shooting stuff. So we're going to take a look at what comes in this here box. We'll look at Godox's website to kind of get an idea of what they say you should be using this for, I guess. And we'll see how it kind of all comes together. Yeah. Okay, so this is it here. It looks like a nice little setup. And the bonus, this is the first thing when I see setups like this for smartphones. You and I are going to go through probably multiple smartphones in our lifetime, and because of that, I love the fact that this, as you can see by the phone that they have in the image here, a lot of room in it, right? So if you change to a smaller phone, you change to a bigger phone, you change to whatever phone, different brand, different style, whatever, this should have no issues holding it. So you kind of buy this and you're good, right? Now the other thing too is they do have some other, as you can see here, related things. So they have a VK2 as well, but we're looking at the VK1. They actually asked which one I wanted to choose because they sent these out to us, and I was like, I think this one. So looks like it comes with the light and the microphone, the holder, hopefully the little tripod, hopefully all the cabling. Vlog kit for mobile, right? Shotgun, RGB, cold mounts, 6/4 inch thread mounts, anywhere from a 2 and a 3 inch to a 3.5 inch width, right? So overall solution, yeah, I agree. It's just one of those things that, you know, it gives you everything. Never miss a moment. Professional VD microphone. I think I've actually possibly used this microphone in the past, and it's actually been pretty good. Versatile LED 6R light. Nice. Again, it's all small, so don't expect huge amounts of light, but you also, you know, want your kit to be fairly light. That's why you're using it. And as you can see here, because it's a smartphone, you can hold it however you want, right? You can hold it vertically, horizontally, whatever. Unlimited extension. What does that mean? Extension. Use your demand. Oh yeah, because it has tripod. So you know what? If you had a good tripod on here, you could get this out doing whatever you want. It comes with a small little tripod. All the kit you need. All the kit you need. There it is. How much does this cost? I don't know. Can I pretend like I wanted to buy it? My guess is I'd have to go to like Amazon, is my guess, to possibly purchase something like this, right? Amazon.com. So you're looking at right now, it looks like about $129. Gives you the whole kit and caboodle. That's US. And if you came to Amazon Canada, do they have such a thing? Not that I can see, but I'll take a look. And if I find it, I'll put links down below so you guys can take a look. Anyways, here it is. Vlog kit, right? Comes with everything. Yep, that's the side we showed you with all the stuff on it. Box wise, masterpiece vlog kit. Whew. All right, and then this side has a bunch of stuff that comes with it, I guess. All right, like they say, it's the complete kit. Oh, and you gotta like complete kits, right? Because I have, for instance, a friend of mine that's looking at getting into doing some YouTube stuff, which I was like, hey, and stuff like this, because you know, a lot of people start off for sure, and some people just continue, and all they use is smartphones. So this would be a lovely little kit. So you do get a little, like a manual that has what all the components are that you get with it. You know, how to use it all. Font's a little small. Does it have multiple languages? Yeah, well, at least it has, looks like Chinese possibly and English, so that's okay. That's a setup nice. You guys can see it, right? Little Godox there. So you got your little microphone. Again, it's tiny, but I have noticed a lot that tiny microphones nowadays actually do really well. Like they do surprisingly well. So that's going to be just your standard 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter. Yeah, that looks decent. We'll just put that over there. You get a nice little LED light. Now this has a, maybe we can just take a look at this, right? Off, on. So it's got some power to it already. Shows you your, you know, color temperature right there. We can go up and down, so we should be able to change. Oh, that's going to be your power. So it's at 100% right now, but you can bring that all the way down. And you can see, maybe you guys can see it there, right? See the number kind of changing on it, right? So your power right there. Then you have your mode. Yeah, so now that's switched there. So now I can change the color temperature. So I'm down to 4800. Is 56 as high as you can go? Nope. You can crank it all the way up to 65. And then I'm guessing you can go all the way down. So I'm going to set it back to 5600. And then you just kind of hit, again, your mode button. That just toggles between them up to 100%. Cool. It's got a good, that's fairly bright actually. And then you got an FX button. So this cycling, that's FX1. FX2 is like a strobe, like a flash, you know. Cool. I'm not even sure what that is. Maybe like a disco bulb. This is lightning. This is light bulb. TV. So this one will have a little bit of just a little bit of a flicker to it, probably. Yeah. A candle. Fireworks, I'm guessing. Police car. Ambulance, I think. No, that was fire truck. This is ambulance. SOS. And whatever that one is. So I can kind of go up and maybe can I go up and down? And then that's kind of it, right? Yeah, that's cool. That's all right. That's a lovely little light. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Then of course you have, this is where your phone's gonna go. So this you just loosen. Yep. So that's slidey, right? And then you put your phone in. Now I have a case on there, but still, even with a case, you know, you get that in there, snug, right? Now make sure it's not sitting on any buttons. That would be the only thing I would think. And there you go. So I guess it sits this way, right? Just kind of get it where you need it to. Give it a good squoosh and a tighten. Yeah, that's not going anywhere, right? And look at all there's your little cold shoes. You got 3 on the top, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that 7? 7 tripod holes. Is that right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7. So you can attach just a crazy amount of stuff to this. All right, and it's light, right? Which is really nice. Which is really, you get these nice little grips, and they're kind of like vented, right? It stands on its own, which is also nice. And is there a last bit? Oh, you get way more stuff actually. So you do get a ton of goodness in here, right? Ton of goodness. Let's open somehow. There's your little muff. There's your muff for your mic, and you get charging cable. This is going to charge your light. It's your light cable. You get, oh, you even get a little diffuser for your light. Little diffuser for the light. That's sweet. And what is this? Oh, this is your yeah. So this one's, I can't remember if, I think they asked when they sent it, possibly, right? Because this is lightning to headphone jack. So it actually comes with lightning to headphone jack adapter if you don't have one already. So that's also really nice. This, of course, is going to be the shock mount, I would think. Yeah, so that's going to be your cable, your actual cable for the microphone to the smartphone. And there's your shock mount. Sweet. Like I said, comes with everything. It's raring to go. And what is this? I'm trying to, oh, this has got to be the tripod. And a bag. All right. They are loading you up with all the goodness. Just putting this stuff down here. Don't need it all out. So you get a nice little bag. That's good because it's big enough for everything. Sweet. And there's your tripod. And surprisingly, the tripod, it's not like it's not going to be like a $200 tripod, right? It's plastic, which is fine. I don't mind plastic. Oh, is it reinforced with metal? It is reinforced with metal. So you got some metal in there just to help it stay stronger, which is nice. So that's going to come out. You guys can see it there, right? It's got a nice little head on it. How's that for tilting? Oh, and it's got little like lock points. Hear that? That's cool. I like that. And then these also, you can push these in and these slide to extend. Now, this is great, of course, just to get your tripod a little higher, and also helps with just kind of getting it on an angle if you need to, especially if there's like a rock or something that you want to put it on and get that adjusted. And even when you're holding it, you just get it out, you can get it out just a tad bit further, right? Tad bit further, turn this, get it all good. All right, I'm down. And of course, this will just kind of snug in here. Yes, yes, I like the thumb. I do like the thumb screw for that. That's nice. Look at that setup, right? Get that out there. Boom. All right, so I'm gonna put this all together, and then I'll be back and we'll take a look. We'll take a look at this madness, because I think this is all right. I think this is all right. All right, check it. Check it. It's all good. Now I have it set to shoot out, right? But depending on how you could just flip your phone and turn that around if you wanted to do vlogging stuff, right? If you're just like, hey, let's get it this way. But usually, even when I vlog, I like to use just the ultra wide camera. So let's do just a quick little test here. What a cool little setup, you know. Let's bring my camera up here. Right, we'll bring it video. We'll go ultra wide. Okay, we're good like that. I'm gonna turn the light on. I don't know. Everything should be set up. I got the cables going all in here. Everything looks okay. We're gonna hit the record button. I'm gonna spin that. And now I'm recording from this at arm's reach using my ultra wide. So this is the ultra wide, and it should be picking up with the new microphone. We've got it lit up. It is lit up, right? You guys can see, right? That light following me there. Yeah, and it's not too heavy. That's the one thing that I was a little concerned with this, is that, you know, you get this heavy setup. But because they're using plastic pretty much for everything, the light is small, the microphone is small, the cage itself is plastic, the tripod is plastic with metal reinforcement, so it's going to help it be stronger when the legs are actually out. Yeah, that's good. I think that's plenty wide, you know, plenty wide. And you guys are hearing now what the microphone physically sounds like, so you guys get a good idea at arm's reach how that is. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna just turn that back off. Now, the other thing, of course, is, you know what? You can, of course, shoot it like this, right? Film like this, because that is just gonna help you be steadier. And with the stabilization in most of like the modern smartphones, being able to shoot, here I'll just shoot like this, right? You can keep that really steady. Yeah, really steady. Yeah, that's a great little setup. You know what? If you're starting out and you need something to be able to use with your smartphone, I think this is a killer deal. Killer deal. It just gives you everything, and you're good. You don't have to think about it. You're ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna put links down below to Godox's website. Take a look there. I'll also put it to Amazon.com because I did find it there. And that's it. I think this is a complete little win. It's a great little package, and that's all for today. I'm out to go shoot a music festival that's happening in our little town, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow. I said that already. Whatever.